The next generation of African millionaires may not come from politics or even tech startups. They may come from ordinary women, mothers, students, single mums, young entrepreneurs, running powerful businesses from home with machines cheaper than a used car. Across Africa right now, women are building empires with machines that process food, make beauty products, produce snacks, package goods, and manufacture everyday essentials. Some started with less than $2,000. Some had no business experience. And one woman paid off her machine in just 17 days. This is not motivation. This is happening right now. And today on Africarized, I'm going to show you 12 machines quietly creating Africa's next female millionaires. Stay until the end, because machine number 10 is exploding across Africa right now. Africa's population is growing rapidly, and where there are babies, there is business. A commercial baby food processing machine can cost between $2,000 and $5,000, yet produce organic cereal, porridge, and nutritious baby food for thousands of families. And here's the opportunity. Parents are becoming more health conscious. Many mothers now prefer organic baby food instead of imported products full of preservatives. One entrepreneur in Cameroon reportedly started making baby cereal from her kitchen. Today, supplying supermarkets and pharmacies. Think about it. Clinics, maternity centers, supermarkets, online sales. This is not just a machine. It is a long-term industry. Africans love bread. Africans love pastries. Africans love events, which means Africans love dough. A commercial dough mixing machine allows women to produce donuts, pizza dough, puff, cakes, buns, chapati, at scale. Instead of exhausting manual labor, the machine speeds up production massively. Many small bakeries across Africa started from home kitchens. Today, some supply schools, hotels, and restaurants daily. Bread is one of Africa's most consumed foods, and a bread-making machine can produce hundreds of loaves daily. Now imagine this, a neighborhood without nearby bakeries. A woman starts producing fresh bread every morning. Within months, she becomes the local supplier. This business works especially well in growing urban areas where demand is constant. And because bread is an everyday product, customers keep returning. The processed meat market in Africa is growing fast, and sausage making is becoming a profitable business for women entrepreneurs. With a sausage filling machine, you can produce beef sausages, chicken sausages, spicy African flavors, vegetarian options, restaurants, butcheries, supermarkets, and street food vendors all need suppliers. One woman in South Africa reportedly built a profitable sausage business supplying local butcheries and food outlets. And because the machine saves time, production becomes much faster and more professional. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this video, like, share, and subscribe to Africarized, because the more Africans learn about business opportunities, the more wealth we can create across the continent. And tell me in the comments, which machine would you invest in first? This machine turns ordinary potatoes into viral snacks. You've probably seen spiral potato chips on TikTok, Instagram, and street food videos. Now imagine selling those at schools, festivals, malls, markets, sports events. The profit margins are incredible because potatoes are affordable, but the finished product sells at a premium. Social media alone can turn this into a massive business, especially among young customers. Health drinks are booming in Africa, and fresh sugarcane juice businesses are quietly making serious money. A sugarcane juice machine allows entrepreneurs to instantly produce fresh juice for customers. And because many people now want natural drinks instead of highly processed beverages, demand keeps growing. Smart entrepreneurs place these businesses near gyms, bus stations, universities, markets, shopping centers, low production cost, high profit margin, simple business model. This one surprises many people. Decorative shredded paper is used in gift boxes, cosmetics packaging, jewelry packaging, luxury products, and the raw materials are often recycled paper, meaning the startup costs are relatively low. As African beauty brands grow, the packaging industry grows with them, and packaging is no longer optional. People buy aesthetics. Africa's beverage industry is evolving rapidly, and craft beverages are becoming increasingly popular. A mini brewery machine allows entrepreneurs to create unique local beverages using African-inspired flavors. Now, this is not about promoting alcohol abuse. This is business. Some entrepreneurs are creating locally branded beverages that stand out because they connect to African identity and flavor. And because consumers increasingly want unique products, small local brands can compete successfully. Africa's climate alone makes this business profitable. Children love popsicles, adults love cold snacks, and fruit-based frozen products are becoming more popular. A popsicle machine allows women to create mango popsicles, pineapple flavors, watermelon ice treats, organic fruit snacks, sell near schools, parks, hospitals, taxi ranks, markets. Simple product, massive demand. This is one of the fastest growing businesses in Africa right now. Organic skincare, African black soap, natural beauty products. Women are creating beautiful artisanal soaps using shea butter, turmeric, aloe vera, coconut oil, African herbs, and customers love handmade products with African identity. Packaging also matters. A beautiful logo and professional presentation can completely transform sales. Many customers buy emotionally before they buy logically. Peanut butter is consumed across Africa daily, and many countries still rely heavily on imported brands. A peanut butter processing machine allows entrepreneurs to produce natural peanut butter, organic blends, chocolate peanut butter, healthy protein products. This business works because raw materials are locally available, demand is constant, health-conscious consumers are increasing, and schools, supermarkets, and households always need food products. Water is life, and clean drinking water is one of Africa's biggest industries. A sachet water or bottled water machine can become extremely profitable in areas with high demand. Many successful African entrepreneurs started with small water packaging businesses. Now imagine supplying schools, events, shops, churches, markets. This industry never truly runs out of customers because everybody needs water. Now notice something important. Most of these businesses are not dependent on trends. They solve everyday needs: food, water, beauty, health, packaging. And this is where real wealth is built. Africa does not only need influencers, Africa needs producers, manufacturers, processors, business owners. And this is exactly why I wrote my book, Decolonize African Institutions by Kelvin Jasi, available now on Amazon, because Africa's future depends on building systems that empower Africans economically, not just politically. Economic freedom matters, and entrepreneurship is one of the fastest paths toward that freedom. Link in the description. The next African millionaire may not come from Wall Street. She may come from a small town in Kenya, a township in South Africa, a village in Nigeria, a market in Ghana, armed with nothing more than determination, creativity, and one machine. Africa is full of opportunities hiding in plain sight. The question is, who is ready to take action? If you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe to Africarized, and send this video to someone who dreams of building wealth in Africa. Because one idea, one machine, one business can completely change a family's future. See you in the next video.